Hello traders, double bottom and double top is one of the most traded pattern in forex market. But the biggest problem in this pattern is to select the right one that will have a high probability winning rate. In this video, I'll give you 3 techniques that you can apply to select the right double bottom and double top. Because there is a lot of in the chart. If you trade every one of them, then you might having a lot of losing trade. So selecting the perfect double top and double bottom with a high winning rate and high probability is really difficult. So over the long term, I have observed the market. I did a lot of back testing and I found that you can apply 3 selection criteria to select the right double top and double bottom that will give you a big edge over the market. At the end of the video, you will be able to trade double bottom and double top like a pro. So I want you to watch till the end and then look at the real chart, see what I'm telling, if it works or no. If it works, then smash the like button for this video and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My name is Nizam. I'm a professional forex trader and helping others to become profitable. Before I begin, just a quick announcement is that you see on the screen, this is the fee people are paying for the lifetime access to my mentorship program, strategies and signal service. I will pick one lucky winner from the comment section every month to give a completely free access to this program. So if you want to have this in competition, then just 2 things you need to do: like this video, comment yes, I will send it to you straight away as soon as that's it. Let's begin. So first, learn the selection criteria for this double bottom and double top selection. Now this selection criteria is not hard first rule, but is the observation that I found over a long term observing and back testing. If you apply this selection criteria, you will find the high probability double bottom and double top setup that will give you a really big edge over the market. So the first criteria that you need to consider is double bottom must be formed on a daily, weekly or monthly support or on trend line, and double top must be formed on a resistance or on a trend line. So if you see say double top like this, okay, it must be on a daily, weekly or monthly support or resistance, because you cannot trade every double bottom and double top wherever you see. You need to see where it is formed. If it is formed on a daily resistance, if it is a double top, or if it is a double bottom, if it is formed on a daily support or weekly, monthly support, then this is the first criteria that will consider to select this double bottom and double top. So what is the next criteria? Okay, so the selection criteria 2. In case of double top, the right top must be lower than the left top. So what does it mean? Say for example, if you see a double top like this, okay, so this is one candle, say one candle, one candle, one candle, so this is a 4 candle or maybe 2 whatever. So this part, this top must be lower than this one, so it has to be a little bit lower if it is a top. If it is a double bottom, then the right bottom must be upper than the left bottom. So this is the second criteria. Now I'm not telling that you might find a lot of double top which is this is the upper than this one, but it still works. But I'm telling that about the high probability, and that is trading. In trading, if you gamble, you will win some, you will lose some, but when you have a high probability, then you will have an edge over the market. Over the long term, you can become profitable. So that is what you need. Third selection criteria is the rightmost candle must be clearly separate from the rest of the candles and closed beyond. So what does it mean? It means that, say for example, if you see a double top like that, say 4 candle, for example 1 2 3 4, the rightmost one must be standing out from the rest of the candle. If it become a narrow candle, then we will not take this double top as our selected double top. It must be clearly separated from the rest of the candle with wick or with the body. So let's see now in real chart how we can apply this criteria. Okay guys, so let's see this example first. NZD CAD on the 4 hour. So if we see that, if we see this one here, okay, so this is a double bottom. Let's draw first a level on this one. So this is the level that we can draw here. Okay, now jump onto the daily time frame to see if it is on a support. So this is where the double bottom formed on the 4 hour time frame. So on the daily, what we see, it is on a support. See, there is a support here and also support here. So this level basically a strong level of support, and this double bottom formed on a strong level of support. So the first criteria is fulfilled, that this double bottom is on a level of support. Now let's go to the next criteria. So what is the next criteria? Next criteria is that, so if we consider these two as the left bottom and these two as the right bottom, then what we see that the right bottom is basically upper than the left bottom. So you see that the right bottom is upper than the left bottom, so we can consider that this bottom is in our criteria. So the second criteria is selected. Now what is the third criteria? So the third criteria is that this candle, this one is the rightmost candle for this bottom, not this one. This is separate. So these 4 candle basically form this double bottom, which is standing out from the rest of the candle. Okay, so we can consider this is a valid double bottom. And after that, what happened? We see a big move to the upside. So that is why you need a proper selection criteria. If you trade all double bottom and double top, then it will be a very difficult to become a profitable trader in trading this pattern. Now let's see another example. Okay, so let's see this example on double top now. This is USD CNH. So let's draw a level here first. So this is what we will be looking at now, and we have drawn the level. Now jump onto the daily or weekly time frame to see if this level is what is on the daily. So this is what it looks like on the daily. So we see that this is a resistance on the daily time frame. If you see that, if you extend this line, then what we see over the long term, so we see a quite back to back, quite a few candle rejected from this zone. So this is a support here, and then resistance here, resistance here. So this is a daily level that we can consider. Now jump onto 4 hour again. Now let's see. So the first criteria has been met. Now what is the second criteria? That a right top must be lower than the left top. So let's see the right top. So these 2 candle consist of a right top, these 2 is left top. So what do you see? That the right top is lower than the left top. So the second criteria is fulfilled. Now what is the third criteria? That this candle, the rightmost candle, must be standing out from the rest of the candles. And what do you see? That this criteria also fulfilled, that this candle basically is standing out from the rest of the candle. It is clearly separated from all the candles. So we can consider this candle as a valid double bottom according to our criteria. In that case, we definitely see that it is a big winning trade. So that is how you can find the high probability double top or double bottom setup. Let's see one more example to clarify. Okay, so in the same chart, let's look at this example here. So this is another one, this example. This is definitely on the daily. If you see that quite a few candle back to back rejected from here as a support, and also here it is acting as a resistance. So if you see that it has formed a double top formation, the price went up to this level, back to back two candle rejected, again went there before reaching the resistance, is strongly rejected. So this two candle is top, this two candle is another top. So this is a double top formation. Now the first criteria, it is on a strong level of support and resistance. If you go to the daily, you see that this is what it is. The next criteria is the right top must be lower than the left top, and that is what happened. The right top is lower than the left, so the right is lower than the left. What is the third criteria? That this candle, the rightmost candle, must be standing out from the other candles. So that is what I mean. If you see the close of this candle, what you see, it is completely separated from the rest of the candle. So we can consider it as a valid double top with according to our criteria, and as a result we see a good winning trade. If you see below, so if you trade this one, you will have a very, very good winning trade. So I sincerely believe that you found value in this video. If you find value, then smash the like button, and also back test it, check on chart to see more of this, because the more you look at these types of pattern, your brain will be trained and you will be able to find more of that. Don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment below if you have any question. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon with another video.